The world is going digital, fast. Every day, more and more aspects of our lives are being integrated with technology. Every website, app, and software you use, built by developers. These digital architects are the backbone of our modern world. This digital boom means one thing: developers are in high demand. Companies big and small are constantly on the lookout for skilled developers to bring their ideas to life. And where there's demand, there's opportunity, especially for those looking to make money online. The tech industry offers some of the highest earning potentials out there. Gone are the days of needing a traditional office job. The flexibility of remote work has revolutionized the way developers operate. Today, developers can work from anywhere with an internet connection. Whether it's a beach in Bali or a cozy home office, the world is your workspace. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, there's a way to monetize your coding skills online. Online courses, tutorials, and boot camps make it easier than ever to learn and improve. Think about it. Businesses are constantly searching for developers to build their websites, create their apps, and manage their online presence. The demand is endless. And manage their online presence. From startups to established enterprises, everyone needs a digital footprint. This constant need translates into a vast online marketplace teeming with opportunities to earn. Job boards, freelance platforms, and direct client work are just a few avenues. The best part? You're not just limited to one path. From freelancing to full-time positions, the choices are abundant. To building your own software, the possibilities are as limitless as your coding creativity. You can even start your own tech company or develop a groundbreaking app. The tech world is your oyster. With dedication and skill, the earning potential is immense and the opportunities are boundless. Freelancing is a fantastic way to dip your toes into the world of online earning as a developer. It offers flexibility and the opportunity to work on diverse projects. This autonomy allows you to balance work with personal life, making it an ideal choice for many. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer act as virtual marketplaces connecting you with clients worldwide. These platforms provide a steady stream of opportunities, ensuring you always have potential projects to bid on. And make a significant difference in attracting clients. It is your chance to make a great first impression. Highlighting your creativity and technical skills can set you can do. A diverse and impressive portfolio can Why work for someone else when you can create something amazing and sell it directly to the world? That's the beauty of building apps and software. Have a game-changing app idea? Develop it and launch it on app stores like Google Play and Apple's App Store. Or maybe you're passionate about a specific problem that software can solve. Build it and offer it as a subscription service or a one-time purchase. The key is to identify a need in the market and create a solution that people will love. Remember how it felt to finally grasp a coding concept? Now you can share that aha moment with others and get paid for it. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare make it easy to create and sell online courses. You can teach anything from basic web development to advanced machine learning. Not ready to commit to a full course? Start a blog or YouTube channel and share coding tutorials, tips, and tricks. Products or services. Real-world success developers who cracked the code. Don't just take our word for it. Countless developers are already living the dream of earning online. Take, for example, the indie game developer who created a mobile puzzle game that went viral, earning millions in downloads. Or the web developer who teaches online courses in their spare time, generating a comfortable side income. These stories are proof that with hard work, dedication, and the right skills, you can achieve financial freedom and build a rewarding career online. Maximize your earnings tips from the trenches. In this chapter, we will share some invaluable insights to help you thrive in the competitive world of online development. Ready to start your online earning journey? Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, these tips will guide you towards success. Here are some practical tips to set you up for success. First, niche down. Focus on a specific area where you can excel and become an expert. Don't try to be everything to everyone. By specializing, you can offer unique value that sets you apart from the competition. Specialize in a specific area of development to stand out from the crowd. Next, build your network. Connect with other developers, attend online events, and engage in meaningful conversations. Join online communities to stay updated on industry trends and find new opportunities. Networking can open doors to collaborations and job offers you might not find otherwise. Then, market yourself. Create a professional website or online portfolio that showcases your skills and experience. Highlight your best projects and client testimonials. Always deliver value. Aim to exceed client expectations by providing high-quality work and excellent communication. Happy clients are more likely to refer you to others. And finally, never stop learning. The tech world is constantly evolving, and staying stagnant can be detrimental to your career. Stay ahead of the game by learning new technologies and expanding your skill set. Attend workshops, take online courses, and read industry publications. By continuously improving, you'll remain relevant and in demand. Remember, the key to success is persistence, passion, and a willingness to adapt. The future is digital. Your coding journey starts now. The online world is brimming with opportunities for talented developers. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time career change, there's a path for you. Embrace the flexibility, the global reach, and the earning potential that comes with being an online developer. The future is digital, and it's waiting to be coded. So, what are you waiting for? Start building your online empire today.